One machine, 5 different oils. First, add rapeseeds and watch the fresh oil flow out smoothly. Next, add walnut kernels to produce rich walnut oil. Then, press peanuts for clear and fresh peanut oil. This machine also works with sesame seeds and flaxseeds, delivering smooth and stable oil extraction. The press cake comes out dry, crisp, and thin. The removable oil outlet is made of 304 stainless steel, making cleaning quick and easy. A practical oil press machine for homes, shops, distributors, and small oil processing businesses. It is simple to operate, easy to maintain, and suitable for daily oil production.